Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a very important episode from Linguamid. Today we will learn three very important words or phrases. We will learn Taban, we will learn Eih Kamaan, and we will learn Omal, and we have also a variation which is Omal. So let's start. The first one here is Taban, which means sure or of course. And I have a small example here. When you ask your wife or your partner, do you like to travel to Hurghada? تحبي تسافري الغردقة? Do you love or do you like to travel to Hurghada? تحبي تسافري الغردقة? And she will reply طبعا. طبعا. So طبعا here from Modern Standard Arabic it means of course, yes. Sure. The second one here is وإيه كمان. وإيه كمان. First of all, we discussed which means what in one of our previous episodes. We said what is what and also discussed the word كمان, which means repeat it or one more time كمان. But the phrase وإيه كمان, what do you think the phrase وإيه كمان means? إيه كمان means what else? What else? Okay, so let's have a small example. Let's imagine that I am talking with my friend and we are dreaming together of what we are gonna do in the future. So I will tell him أنا بحلم أشتري بيت. أنا بحلم أشتري بيت. I am dreaming to buy a house or an apartment. Let's say beit is house, is more accurately a house. So I'm dreaming to buy a house. Okay, and then he will reply وإيه كمان, what else? And then I say and a car وعربية. So وإيه كمان here it means in English what else. وإيه كمان. Sometimes we say وإيه كمان with the wow, so and what else, and sometimes we just say إيه كمان what else without and. Our next word is Omal, and this is actually let's say a tricky word because it doesn't it's not common today. Okay, you don't hear it more often today, and usually the millennials generation usually say this word, and even the generations before the millennials, but the ones after the millennials, you don't hear it more often in Egypt. And Omal is exactly like Taban. It means of course, and it means also sure. Okay, so when I say, for example, are you sure? أنت متأكد? I reply Omal. Omal, yes, I am sure. أنا متأكد. Omal. Okay, so the meaning of Omal, so repeat it also with me, right? Omal. It means yes, of course, I am sure. And here we have also another important, let's say, variation of Omal, which is Omaleh. Okay, Omal. Omal, when we add after Omal, it means what? Okay, so it doesn't mean sure what or of course what. No, it has another meaning. The phrase Omaleh, it means so what or what else? What do you think? Alternatively, Omaleh. So we have, for example, this phrase when we say لا مش هينفع نروح السينما دلوقتي. مش هينفع نروح السينما دلوقتي. You will not be able to go to the cinema. It's not working that we go to the cinema right now. مش هينفع نروح السينما دلوقتي. And then I will reply أمال إيه. So what else? What do you think that we can do alternatively? Then I say it's better that we have, let's say, dinner. Okay, نتعشى. It's better, أحسن إن إحنا نتعشى. الأحسن نتعشى دلوقتي. Or الأحسن إن إحنا نتعشى. It's the better thing, الأحسن that we have dinner. إن إحنا نتعشى. Okay, so here it's very important to know the difference between these two words. The word Omal alone, it means طبعا or sure, and it has this gesture of confirmation. Omal, okay, sure, I'm confirming. And the other one is Omale, Omale. So it has also the gesture of being not sure, or being worried, or not understanding. Okay, so Omale, Omale. So it means what else? What is the alternative? Okay, what else? So Omal and Omale. So now at the end of this episode, you know now essential 3 important words, and also let's say 4 important words and phrases, because the last one has a variation as well. So we have the first one is Taban, and the Taban is sure, as I told you. The second one is Eih Kamaan, and the Eih Kamaan, it means what else? What else do you want to say? Continue with Eih Kamaan. And the last one is Omal, and I told you Omal exactly like Taban, yes, sure. And if we add A after Omal, it becomes so what? Omale, Omal A. Okay, so this is actually how we say these words in spoken Egyptian. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. It's completely free, gives you the basics of spoken Egyptian. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. And also don't forget to share this episode if you like it and find it useful. And I am waiting for you in my next episode. Thank you and bye bye.